AI in your web browser is a game changer. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the way we interact with the web. From voice assistants to chatbots, from image recognition to natural language processing, AI is enabling us to access information and services faster and easier than ever before. But what if you could use AI directly in your web browser, without installing any apps or extensions? That's exactly what Microsoft Edge offers with its built-in AI features. Microsoft Edge is the first and only browser that integrates AI natively into the browsing experience. This means that you can benefit from AI-powered functionalities without compromising your privacy, security, or performance. Here are some of the ways that AI in your web browser is a game changer. Immersive Reader. This feature allows you to read web pages in a distraction-free mode, with options to adjust the text size, font, background color, and line spacing. You can also use Immersive Reader to listen to web pages aloud, with natural-sounding voices and adjustable speed and pitch. Immersive Reader also supports reading comprehension tools, such as highlighting parts of speech, breaking words into syllables, and translating text into different languages. Collections. This feature helps you organize your web research in a smart and simple way. You can easily create collections of web pages, images, videos, and other content that you find online. You can also use collections to export your content to Word or Excel, where AI will automatically format it for you. Collections also integrates with Pinterest, so you can discover and save related ideas for your projects. Vertical tabs. This feature lets you switch between tabs in a vertical layout, giving you more space to view web pages and making it easier to find and manage your tabs. You can also use vertical tabs to group your tabs by topic, theme, or task, and collapse or expand them as needed. Password Monitor. This feature helps you protect your online accounts from data breaches and identity theft. Password Monitor scans the web for leaked credentials and alerts you if any of your saved passwords have been compromised. You can then use Password Monitor to generate strong and unique passwords for each of your accounts and sync them across your devices. Smart Copy. This feature allows you to copy and paste content from the web while preserving the original formatting, links, images, and tables. You can also use Smart Copy to extract data from web pages and paste it into Excel as a structured table. Web Capture. This feature enables you to capture and share screenshots of web pages with ease. You can use Web Capture to select any part of a web page, annotate it with a pen or highlighter, and share it via email or social media. You can also use Web Capture to save screenshots to collections or OneNote for later reference. These are just some of the examples of how AI in your web browser is a game changer. Microsoft Edge is constantly adding new AI features to enhance your browsing experience and empower you to do more online. To learn more about Microsoft Edge and its AI capabilities, visit the link I posted in the description. If you like the video, please leave a comment and subscribe for more videos.